Have you ever dealt with really heavy menstruation or long flow? I have, ever since I was a teenager. I can remember times as a teenager when I would come home after being out with friends and realize that I had bled through, and I was so embarrassed. Nobody told me, and I didn't know how long it had been there. This really hasn't changed as an adult. It's just now I make sure to check myself much more often. The thing is, having a heavy flow like this is not something that is fun to deal with. And in approaching my doctors about it, they've never been able to offer me any solution other than to get on birth control. Unfortunately, I tried this and it was to no avail because it didn't resolve the issue. If anything, it seemed to intensify it. Over the years, I've done research and I've found a substance that is in cruciferous vegetables called diindolylmethane. Diindolylmethane is able to slough off the excess estrogen that runs through your body, therefore helping to greatly reduce your period and greatly to reduce your flow. I started taking Optigreens in September of 2022. Within 3 months, the amount of days that I would see myself having my period had been reduced by at least 2. And the reduction in my flow was uncomparable. So I would like to tell you about this substance so that hopefully it can help you. If this is something that you have dealt with throughout your entire life or just recently, give it a try. 3 months and you might be done with it like I have been. I hope that you will. Check out my website, www.monkeybarfan.com. Go to the supplements tab and you'll see, if you scroll down in the page, where I've specifically listed the supplements that I use that have really helped me with my time of the month.